Hello everyone, welcome to HPM Tech. Today new video. Big investment plan 2020. Tesla lost amount $16 600 millions once it is investment in Bitcoin. The beginning of 2021 Tesla amount about 1.5 billions of the free cash in Bitcoin in the every biggest accepted cryptocurrency is means in the payment new electric electric cars. Investment and the 1.5 Bitcoin and the every begin the accepted the cryptocurrency is means payment for new electric vehicles, but later adopted that idea. Rockefeller response in the company cryptocurrency assets have independent by more than 5 million all target that is not registered in the large electric vehicles manufacturer. Early the years and Tesla increased the numbers of Bitcoin in the investment profitable in the equal of 2 billions in the exchange rate. It is time in the purchase according to independent source. Not all Tesla cryptocurrency assets are worth no more than 905 millions. That is accorded the most and many investment in the company lot amount 6 millions on this investment. Tesla his lot 6 millions on the Bitcoin investment due the cryptocurrency declined. Search people's first name and last name. Search the company hold no more than 10% of free cash cryptocurrency and this their share it is capitalism and does not excess 0.1%, so that is described of the Bitcoin unlikely to have particular impact on the financial posting the automate the heart of company if Elon Musk investment part is person fund cryptocurrencies but is not full part this assistant in the process future in the long term investment. Tesla industry and reviews pay for the purchase electric vehicles with Bitcoin after exchange in the crypto because is harmful in the environment. Such people the cost in the world list in the main cryptocurrency is constant admit record information in the United States according to the expert. The current Bitcoin rate about 2 $1,000 are you not buttons in the US cryptocurrency continue to get cheaper is inflated risk which will enforce USA Federal revenues to risk in the rate more aggressive investor will extract Bitcoin and the price according to Vector Force money dropped to $8,000 to $15,000 in the US. The blogger and technical expression and the music search people the show and Tesla and good cars and good deals electric cars. Tesla is the big company of industry in USA, big brand in expedition of the purchase when big games legislation the exciting to investor this company is investment big company is Bitcoin the BTC expert and the cash allowed and is ultimational last harmful investment Bitcoin after exchange cryptocurrencies cheaper information risk will force USA accorded version and fixed my drop comment happy unmoved almost excited angry sad happy unmoved so excited angry sad for like subscribe the press bell icon for latest mission update for Bitcoin and other currency subscribe to channel and other video update